All right, guys, this is me getting a round in with my buddy Scooby Wright. This dude's an absolute savage. He played in the NFL for a little bit with the Cardinals, and I think with the Browns. And, yeah, he's a beast. He's probably 6 foot something, 250. So this is going to be a lesson on how to roll with people who are much better than you at jiu-jitsu, for one, and bigger than you. So, obviously, the first most important thing is to have a good training partner. Scooby is not trying to crush me with all of his might right here. Like, he's just playing around, having a good time, and I trust him as my training partner. I know he's not going to try to slam me on my head, nothing crazy. That's the most important thing. And then, from my point of view, I'm not going to be shooting in on a crazy amount of takedowns. I'm not going to be trying certain stuff that just is not going to work on this beast of a man. So, right here, I'm just, trying to get my frames. I'm just getting crushed. You know, it is what it is. You need to be comfortable just kind of working on getting your frames, working on getting back to positions like your guard. So right now I'm just trying to somehow get out of this crucifix position. I'm getting absolutely demolished, but it's all fun. You know, and yeah, I'm in this crucifix. I get my head elbowed off, and I think he's going to Kimura right here. And you also have to learn to tap really early with these training partners because they're just bigger. So, you know, tap early and often for sure. So right now he's just pulling guard. We're just having some fun here, and he sort of just lets me pass him. And that's another thing with training with people way better than you. They're often going to let you in jiu-jitsu have position, so don't come out of that roll and be like, oh, I passed this dude's guard. That's not what really happened. It's just, something that people do in jiu-jitsu. So I'm going for a little guillotine right here and trying to find the back. And this is why you have a good training partner, because right there I could have just gotten slammed on my head. But, if you know the people you're training with, they're not going to do that to you. But it's also good to know, that that's a reality. So, yeah, right here, I'm trying to not get back in that crucifix again. So I'm trying to get up, scramble here, try to shoot up a triangle or, go to full guard or something. And we reset. And, yeah, Scooby's just coming in on me. And I'm like, just, I don't know what I was trying to do there, kind of invert. And we're just, kind of flow rolling here, This isn't, full pace rolling. That's also really important to do because if it was full pace, I would just be getting smashed and not really learning anything. So he has me in this Kimura trap situation right here where he has the Kimura, and when I turtle, it can take my back. And so I'm just trying to be easy here because if I go around there, he could go to my back. So I'm trying to get over his hips, and he still has that Kimura locked up, and he takes my back, and it's just game over from there. Throwing up the peace sign because I know it's game over. Set match. But yeah, if you want to come train with us, come to 10th Planet San Mateo. It's one of the best jiu-jitsu gyms in the Bay Area. And yeah, I'll give you a free rash guard if you come sign up here and come train. And you get to train with beasts like this former NFL player. I think he's going into the WWE as well. So yeah, shout out Scooby Wright. Definitely follow him. I'll tag him. I think he just messed with Instagram, but yeah, I'll tag him below. So yeah, right here, playing some full guard. Trying to kind of go to a shoulder crunch thing. And it's going to pop the guard off. I'm trying to wrap his neck, go to a triangle. It's not going to work. Triangle on somebody this big probably isn't going to work anyway, but, it is what it is. And, yeah, we're just ending the round here. Having some fun. Have fun with your training partners. You should be able to train with people of all different sizes and all different levels and still have a good time. So, yeah,